And we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show you the data type of Boolean. This is either true or false. So if I, for example, define two variables, let x and let y, and I make both of them yes, and now compare it via document.write, we'll get true. I make that x equals y, and this will be true, because both have the same value. If I make the y a no, we'll get false. This also works on numbers. I make that 15 and 8, it's false. And if I make it x bigger than y, it's true. Be careful. Let me make that false here. So let x false and let y is false as well, and I make it x equals y. And this will give us true because both have the same value and it's a Boolean value. If I make x false in quotation marks, we'll get false because the x, this is now a string, and the y, it's Boolean. So without the quotation marks you have Booleans. With it's going to be a string value. If I make the y with quotation marks as well, we'll get true again. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.